Hello everyone. Today we'll do a question, customer details. This question asks us to find the detail of each customer regardless of whether they ordered or not. Output the first customer name, first name, last name and city along with the order detail. Sort the order based on the customer's first name and order details in ascending order. So we are given two columns, customer and orders. We'll concatenate both on ID in customer and order on cust ID, so it means customer ID. So let's start. Select strict from customers, say join, left join, so that we get the customer that don't have any orders. Also orders O on c.id and O customer ID and order by customer's first name. So the first name was in customer table, first name and order detail. What was order detail? In ascending order. We needed first name, last name and city and order detail. So we'll run the code, we'll check what's the expected output. So I think we have matched the first 5 columns, so we'll submit. Yes, so our answer is correct. Thank you, I hope it was clear.